Just tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Hi guys, good morning.
Today is Saturday.
It's
May 1.
May 1.
Ang bilis, no? May na. Oh my God. Dito pa kami ni Oli sa room. Punta namin yung boys. Anong oras na pa? Si Jan, nag-fishing sila mga 3:30. Umalis sila 3:30. 8:52 na ng umaga. So, labas tayo. Tingnan yung mata ko, guys. Parang lalo na siyang nag-red. Linisan natin. Come on, Baba.
Okay, let's go.
Dito yung dalawa. Good morning. Dito si Kuya. And then si Sak. How's your sleep? Good. Did you? My God, this is ang taas pa naman. Did you? You forgot yours?
No, I got one.
Okay.
So we grabbed 2 belts.
It's alright.
Yeah.
Sak,
What do you want in that one?
were you hurt, Sak? Were you hurt? How? Sinabihan pa lang siya ng daddy niya na
Oh, I know.
mag-ingat siya kasi medyo malalim to. Today? Yeah. Maano to? Mataas ba?
I know how, Mom.
Why?
Kuya TJ comes in his bed and he pushed him off. No. Yes, he did.
You think so? That's the scenario?
My rug kept falling off.
Yeah.
So.
Did you fall, Sak? Or you just...
What shirt? Probably that.
Yeah, that's a good shirt. Nabili ko to sa Bali.
I'm having that.
Where you get to? One for TJ.
No, it's really 6.
Hoy, it's alright.
This
That
is
size 8.
me.
It's still alright.
Right. This is a
It's alright, just try that one.
10.
It's alright though. Just try.
I'm going to shop to eat some croissants.
Croissants? You want some?
We get an ice cream after lunch.
After lunch?
Wow.
Who said that?
I'm saying that.
Daddy? Tingnan mo si Sak. 2 days lang kami dito pero tingnan mo ang dala niyang
It's
damit.
not big.
It's
It's just jumpers. I
alright.
just waked up early.
Okay.
I woke up before you. I woke up in the middle of the night.
Yeah, I heard you banging the wall.
Oh, that was when I hit my head at the middle.
Okay.
So that was
Guess what?
what?
Auntie Talana just gave birth.
Wait, is a boy?
Girl.
Down.
Oh, it's a girl.
And his name is Logan.
Willow, Logan.
Anyway. The deal version because
Yeah, girl. Oh, tinan mo si Girl. Si Holly masaya siya kasi girl. Breakfast muna kami, guys. Si Sak, ayun, kumakain na siya ng Smiley Fritz. And ito yung pinadala niya. Mamaya, kainin niya raw to after ng Smiley Fritz. Yung niluto kong champorado.
So if we walk down right down the end and then there's like the lighthouse and we can walk along the...
that white bread.
Huh? White. Yeah, it's white. Do you want? You want champorado? Oh, okay. You say
You
champorado.
have it with bread.
Yeah, you can dip this.
Like that.
Yeah. I'm just gonna heat it up a little bit and then you can dip your bread.
I'll try it.
Yeah. Okay.
Your hand.
Yeah. Which one? The bread? Pag hindi niya raw nagustuhan yung bread na i-dip sa champorado, ibibigay niya raw sa akin. Dinala ko yung crepes. Ito yung binili pa natin. Bango. Yeah, Come here, Kuya. Eat here, please. How about you, Holly? You want some?
Yes. bread with butter.
With butter. And you sit down here.
Wait, with jam.
With jam. Okay. We'll see.
I want butter with jam.
Okay. Ask Gretel.
You got some jam?
That one for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's have a look. You can have fig jam, which we made off the trees.
Yeah, meron siyang fig jam.
Or
That one, the butter, kuya. It's don't have there, kuya.
yeah, try this fig jam.
Okay. Gawa niya to, guys. Ayan, oh. May puno raw sila dito. Sarap to. Oh my God. Ayan yung itsura niya. Ayan. Tuturuan niya akong gumawa nito.
Gretel.
Yeah.
Also so
Sure. Yeah, what is it? We're gonna get any of this. Try it.
what tastes like with jam and butter?
It's really good, Baba.
It's really runny.
I just have
Do you want me
to
to pour it inside?
Smiley fruits.
No, you cannot have smiley fruits with this. No, you have to eat this first.
Have that. Is that enough? Eat it.
Mmm, yum. Mmm, sarap. Careful, Baba. How about you? Champurado. Mmm.
You like it?
Yeah, it's good with toast. Like a bit
Yeah,
toast.
toast,
Yeah.
Well, and cheese.
Yeah. Cheese. Yeah. Like it, Baba? See, told you. She likes it. Oh, champurado ni Sak. Pinit ko na yung kanyang champurado pero na over ano ko naman sa init. Sobrang umuusok, kita nyo. Umuusok siya, oh. Gawan ko rin daw siya na. Here you go, Sak. You can do it like this is what we do.
Is it butter?
Yeah. You just do this. Like that. Hot. Yeah, they're walking. See? Look at them. They're walking with the dog. Good? You like it with bread?
Mm-hmm.
What do you don't know? You're eating it.
Can't taste it.
You can't taste it. You can't
So
taste
she
it.
had a little girl.
Yeah.
That's so cool. So special.
Yeah. Nasabi ko ba sa inyo na nanganak na si Talana and babae yung anak niya. Ang pangalan is Willow. Your phone is ringing. Ito yung pangalawa ni Kuya. You want more? Ito kay Kuya to. With Fritz?
Nothing. With jam.
Oh, nagustuhan niya yung jam na gawa ni Gretel. Okay, Kuya, here, come on. How's your sack?
Yeah, the crust.
Good? Good with bread? That's good. Nagustuhan niya.
How much fish is that?
Yeah, you can have this one.
Oh.
Okay. With whatever you want. Si Holly gusto niya pa raw nito. So, kuha natin.
This I'm not happy.
Okay, after that one, di ba? Ang lakas ni Sak sa champurado. Oh, good job, Sak. You love eating it? Ito yung pangalawang slice ni Holly and si Sak. Tapos na siya kumain ng champurado. Fritz naman siya. Baba, come here, Baba. Oh. Come here. Oh, you want champurado too?
I felt
Careful with that couch, okay? Sit down there, please.
Put this in my bag.
Alis na kami, guys. And ayan na si Holly, ah.
Put this unicorn in my bag, please.
Okay, may dala rin siyang backpack. Andito yung malaki kong camera. Kasi, tingnan natin kung makapag-picture-picture tayo doon. Kasi maganda raw mag-walking. Okay, here. Drop it. Drop. Sak, can you sit this, please? Okay. So, let's
Mom,
go.
you gotta be joking.
Jogging? No, I'm not. We're just gonna walk. Come on. Nag-walking na pala kami, guys. And si Sak, nagka-tumbling-tumbling na naman siya. And look at Holly. Baba, you alright? Okay. Thank you. You got flower for mommy.
Hold on.
Oh, alright. Thank you. May cute daw na little house. Ayan, oh. Go look, Sak.
And then we'll do a lap.
Yeah. And andun na yung dagat, oh. And the food, yeah, Footy Oval. Ah, okay. Ito daw yung very old house. The house that we are living now, it's 100 years.
Yeah.
See?
Look at this.
Yeah.
Original, like it's like.
Ito daw yung bahay noon.
Made in 1878.
1846. Oh, Granny Banks. Ito siya, guys. Gawa siya noong 1846. Wow. Is someone lives there?
Yeah, you can holiday there.
Oh, holiday house. Wow. Oh, yeah. Smell it, Zach. That's lavender.
Beautiful.
Smell? Oh, smell lavender.
This one's mine.
Okay. Come on. Oh, no, bee. Come on, Papa. There's bees. Come on. May bees. Ang ganda ng bahay, oh. Ito raw yung gusto niyang bahay dito sa Robe. Tingnan niyo yung garden nila. Ang laki. Tapos, andun yung bahay, oh. Tingnan niyo yung mga yung trees. Tingnan niyo, ang lalaki ng pine trees. Ayan yung nila daanan, oh. Ganda. What you got there, Zach? Mahilig siya yan, amoy. This is pine tree. Come on. Yeah, andun yung marina, guys. Oh, kitang-kita na dito. Tingnan niyo, ang ganda ng bahay, yung white. Yan, oh. Ang ganda. Ang daming magagandang bahay, guys. Tingnan niyo yung bahay nila.
They've designed
Wow.
it to look like a ship.
Yeah, it looks like, oh, yeah, wait. Ang ganda. Wait, Holly, come here. Ayan, no, yung dark yung glass. Tapos yung isa naman, maganda din. Ang gaganda ng bahay dito. Doon, ang dami pang magagandang bahay doon sa kabila. So, dito tayo muna. Ito, ang laki din ng bahay na to, oh. Ang ganda mag-walking dito. Gusto ko to. Sabi ni Gretel, mayroon daw siya sa bahay. Bigyan niya ako. Ang ganda nito, oh. Yes, baby? Are you having fun? Yes. Pitas lang siya ng pitas ng flowers. Sabi ni Gretel, eto raw, holiday house. Pwede raw tong i-rent. Ang cute ng kulay nila. Mayroon 3. Yan, ayan, cute din, oh, yung katabi. Ang dami, as in, madaming magagandang bahay dito. Ayan, oh, tingnan nyo to. Tada! Nice. Yes. That's not new, Baba. Kasi ang puti, sabi niya new. Lighthouse. And dito tayo, pasok tayo dito. You're excited? Yeah. Okay pa siya, oh. Hindi pa siya nagreklamo. Walking. Baba, careful! Tingnan niyo yung view dito, guys. Parang lang siya, Fort Mac, pero maganda dito. Kasi marami kayong makikita na like magagandang bahay, tapos maganda yung doon, maganda yung view doon, tapos yung mga rocks, maganda rin kasi yung iba hindi ko na na-film. Press mo na lang sila. Picturean ko sila.
What do I have to say to keep you by my side? Heart is starting to liquefy. Need you here to tell me that I'll be okay. Married 1, loving 2, and now it's 3 a.m. Thinking what if it's you and me? At the end, maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home.
na kami sa tuk-tuk guys. Hingal namin. And ayan yung view. Dito sa right side. Tapos may view pa dito sa kabila. Yung dagat. This is nice. Nice. That one? Which one? This one? Yeah, both sides. Yeah, the ocean. Yeah, nice. Yeah, looks nice. Mag-ice cream daw sila later. Ayan, doon tayo galing, oh. Wow. Wow, 2 kilometers na yung 2,000 meters na raw yung linalakad namin. Guys, nakita nyo yan. Ang penalties pag kayo'y nag-fishing dito is 100,000. Wow.
We've been here, somewhere here. And
Yeah, okay, let's go. Keep going, come on.
Hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. Look at you, eyes as soft as that ocean blue. Falling in, learn to swim like I never knew. I see it now, that everything will be okay. With no small doses, smell of roses. Can't get enough of you. Can't wait to love on you. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home.
Before daw, old ano raw to. Yung ano, jail. How? Here? One room, wow. Wow. Yeah, ayan o, prisuhan daw to guys noon.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one.
So, yan yung old jail daw dito, guys. So, giniba lang para makita ko ano daw yung nasa loob. Kanina doon, nakita niya, di ba?
It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that...
Pagod na si Holly, nagpa-piggyback na siya kay Zach. Ang linakad namin so far is 3 kilometers, right, Gret? Yeah, 3 kilometers. Dito na tayo sa Marina. Mga bahay ulit. Careful, Zach, ha? Baba, follow, Kuya Zach. Punta raw kami sa Main Street. Ito na yung ibang boats dito. Ayan, ayun ulit si Zach. Gustong-gusto niya rin gawin yan kay Holly. Ibang position na naman. Kasi daw, nachuchoke siya dun sa watch ni Holly. Ang cute naman nila, oy. So, ito na yung marina, guys. From there, here. Okay.
The boats come in sort of there where you see the ocean.
Yep. Okay. Diyan daw papasok mamaya yung boat nila. Yung si Mayo tsaka si Jan ba? Diyan sila mamaya papasok. Doon, yun na yung dagat. Tapos pasok sila dito. Okay. Pasok tayo dito sa trail na to. That's for the dog. Yung plastic ba para sa tayo ng aso. Pasintabi po. Ha? Bridge? Bridge daw. So, ayan.
This journey home, I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up?
Thank you, hi!
Hello.
May bahay dito, oh, hidden house. Look at the house. This is very, my goodness.
And you'll see the white one in a minute.
Oh, really? Oh my God, this is nice. Ang ganda ng bahay. Hindi nyo lang makita kanina. Ganda ng bahay na yan. It's a bit long, this trail.
Yeah,
It is.
it's so good.
Yeah, nice. Guys, wow.
You gotta hire it.
Oh, tapos na kami dito, oh. Eto na yung labas. And ayan, sabi ni Gret, ang ganda raw nitong bahay na to. May swimming pool daw dyan. Alala nyo to, guys. Nakapunta na tayo dito before. Nung kasama, pinunta namin si Bryce. Doon, oh. Diba? And eto yung mga bahay dito. Naalala nyo na? Yan. Okay, go! Cross back ba? Ito yung pwede yung i-rent na bahay. Di ba naalala nyo na, guys? Tinur ko na kayo dito before.
That's a pillow.
Yeah, eto, naalala nyo to. Pinakita ko to sa inyong mga bahay dito. O, yung Aloha. Yan. Naalala nyo na? Yan. Yan yung bahay sa harap. Ito yung bahay. Pinakita ko na to sa inyo noon. Tapos, ayan yung dagat. Dito yung mga bata sa playground. Ayan lang yung dagat. And later, mag-ice cream na sila. Dito may pinakita naman sila. Grabe siya.
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry my service bad. My bad. When I wake up you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. Cause all I want is you. Is you.
Ang ganda dito kasi tingnan nyo, guys. May wifi. Wala ka sa jet ski. Tingnan nyo, ang cute ng lalakaran natin. O, dadaanan natin. O.
Along this road.
Punta na tayo sa ice cream. Gusto nila mag-ice cream. Yung bahay nila, papasok doon. Ang lapit niya sa mga sa shops. Ang ganda ng location nila. Doon, oh. Where we going for dinner? Where? That one? Okay. Okay. Mamaya dyan tayo magdi-dinner.
Oh, we have. You keep walking and I'll catch up.
Okay. Magpapabook lang siya ng table. So, dami mga nice dito, mga cafe. May naalala si Kuya? Remember here, yeah? Yeah, dito kami dati before. Mag-insert ako ng picture namin. Dito sa bakery kayo kumain. That time. Late pa niyan si Holly. Dito, dyan. Yeah, we were there, right, Zach? Dyan kami before. Wala, pinakita ko lang sa inyo. Okay, where's the ice cream? And eto, naalala nyo, yung holiday na shop. Dito ko binili yung diffuser. And ang gaganda ng mga tinda nila dyan. Ang cute. Pakita ko sa inyo. Saglit lang. Ayan, diba? Ang ganda dito. Ang bango-bango. Nakita nyo na to noon. Nice. I like this. Gusto ko to kasi yung akin nabasag po nabasag siya. Eto, di ba bumili ako dito before? Dito,
Oh, bugger. That's alright.
Yan. So, eto. Ang gaganda ng mga pang-display nila sa bahay doon, And alam nyo ba kanina? Napansin ko sa picture. Kanina, nakapaglakad na kami. Etong harapan, nasa likod to, guys. Pero hindi naman halata. Nakita ko lang sa picture. Wala, baliktad yung aking damit. So, ayan. Hi! So, ang ganda ng nila, yung pang-kitchen. Para siyang, Lima & Co. Yeah, yung vibes niya dito, parang Lima & Co. Ayan, wow, ang ganda. Ha? Oh, I like this. Ay, ang cute. Ay, bili tayo. Bili tayo dito. Yeah. I like this. Zach, what do you think? Nice?
I think this is
You think that is nice? Wait lang. Tingin muna ako, guys. Wait lang. That one. Looks nice? Mahilig siya yan, amoy.
Mom,
Yeah. Yeah.
will you have this?
Yes, we do have. Mayroon ako niyan. Nabili ko sa Lima & Co. Pero may siya, palm trees. Ito ang ganda, Thank you. Yeah, nice.